Everybody, this is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. So guys, we got some new shirts. Got new shirts and logo, the Welding Machine LLC. There's a little logo, had my little brother make it. My younger brother. My little younger brother, older brother. Anyways, so we're gonna make a video. Right now we're at the house. So yeah, we're at the house. We couldn't do this at my parents' house because I'm trying to get as much work as I can get done, and today's Monday. And yeah, so we got the new shirts. Got the house right there. Got the burn barrel. That's gonna be a grill. I'm gonna make that into a grill. We're gonna do a test grill thing. Got the horizontal bandsaw in the trunk of the Honda because I didn't feel like driving the gas guzzler. And then got the 140 longevity MIG welder in the back seat with some gas, some bottle gas, and some rods. So got the setup. You know what I'm saying? Got the setup going. I'm gonna set up the bandsaw. I'm gonna set up the bandsaw right there, and then we're gonna start cutting some of this stuff, so stay tuned. The only bad thing about the Harbor Freight bandsaw is that right there is too big. Cutting the last one. Cutting 45 there, gonna flip it around, cut 45. There's the pieces we got. We're gonna be using the longevity MIG welder 140. For this project, we're going to use not flux, we're going to use regular MIG wire. We got the gas connection. Here's the pieces, we got them, all of them. We got a mag drill, that's going to be in another video. So yeah, this is what we got. We got the gas, we got the bandsaw, we got the parts, we got the machine. The gantry crane, we got to set that up so we can pull this bed off. That's on the other side of the house, but that's what we're going to do next. And we got this piece right here to replace what's on the bed that's rotted. But right now we're cutting the last piece, and yep. So y'all stay tuned. Deuces. Everybody, this is the Welding Machine, guys. It is nighttime. We got the first piece done. Been mostly just a lot of cutting, but putting it together. Got all the stuff on the back of the truck. We need to fix this truck and put some boxes on it. So guys, I'm about to go ahead and cut into the house and stuff because it's getting dark out and it's late, and I'm about to bring all the stuff to the shop that me and my dad split, because I did the first part. I just want to make sure everything is good. Everything turned out great. I will switch the camera around, probably include a picture. Hold on. Yeah guys, that's what it looks like. It's like a metal frame. Everything seems like it's pretty good. Everything on the outside, on the inside is not square, but on the outside it is. It's kind of weird like that, but let me take a step back so you guys see. Excuse me. So this one is just the one already put together, and then I'm gonna have another one. I'm gonna show you guys the process of putting everything together. So if you guys please stay tuned, we'll do the next one. All right guys, so right now we got all the parts. Here's the first one that we made last night just to get it right and make sure it looks good. Here it is right here. We got the bandsaw, and then there's the barrel with the parts in it that I got from work. So now right now I'm just gonna take everything off. Take the straps and everything off. Take all the straps off. Get everything off the back of the truck. Alright guys, so step one, what we gotta do, wipe off all the oil off the parts. I think I might do. Alright. We got one that's gonna go like this. And another one that's gonna go that one on top. Alright guys, right now we're making the first part. We're checking the square on the outside instead of the inside, because the tube is not always straight. So as you can tell, you see that? We got to bring this tube out a little bit. So we're going to hold this up, put our finger here. Yep, that's perfect. Perfect right there. We got to check the measurement. It should be like 30 inches. It's about a 1/16 over. That ain't bad.
Apply pressure and put a tack. Time. Still good. Not bad. Now we're gonna flip it over. Back side. Boom. Just built both of those in like not even 20 seconds. Now the fun part that I didn't think about until now. Putting this together. Alright, so we'll be right back. I suggest you guys get one of these bar clamps right here if you're going to do like furniture and stuff like that. The tape measure to measure it, make sure everything was right. Right now we're about to check it again. I'm at 22 1/8. We got that there. We got it 22 right there. I mean, we can hit it again. It ain't gonna bring it too much closer. Oh, and then now we gotta make sure we have 30 from the outside to the inside. We got 30. And now we gotta check to see if it's square. We're gonna use our square. Or, dang, where the heck is it? I'll be losing stuff. Y'all don't understand how much I lose stuff around here. But this, when I made the first one, yeah, that's out. So about a little bit. That's it. This is 31. Alright, so right now we're looking at it. We're gonna pull the tape. Should be 31. So right now we gotta go in about 3/8. I'm gonna hold that. Right strap a little bit. Tacks might break. Right now we're a quarter out. I'm gonna go in a little bit more. I'm gonna check it again. We're about 3/16 out. Hit it one more time. That should be good. Whew, big gap. We're at 31. Alright guys, we're using the power i-mig. We got it set on 364 and then 23 volts. This is Everlast Power i-mig 275S. That's what we're going to be using. And we're going to go ahead and hit up these weld joints. We got plenty of them. We're going to knock this out. Right now it's in progress, guys. My helper right now is finishing touches. Here's what we got right here so far. What we got to do right here is cut some slots out. Cut some slot holes in the boat. That'll be it. Alright guys, all we gotta do now is cut these slots out for the tabs on all sides, and then we're gonna use the old-fashioned Harbor Freight plasma cutter that everybody loved the video about. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description or pop it up as a key tab. So we're gonna go ahead and start cutting. I'm gonna put you guys in the shade actually, so the phone don't overheat. They did that. I switched from an iPhone to an Android. Yeah, I know. Leave it in the comments. Okay, let's cut this. Alright guys, if you guys like that video, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that notification bell. Every time I post it, that subscribe button. Subscribe to the Welding Machine. Guys, check me out. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my Instagram. Check out my Facebook page. I try to post normally on my Instagram. That should be at the top of my page and on the right or left hand corner. Check me out. Thank you guys for watching. Welding Machine out. Alright guys, we got it loaded up on the back of the truck. That right there is going to be the next project. It's going to be a grill base model. Look at that, the Welding Machine new rig truck. Pretty soon it's going to be a new bed on there. We got to put the gantry crane together first before we put the new bed on. Yeah, it's the future, guys.